Hi there, students. Vitriol, a noun. I think it's uncountable. Vitriolic, the adjective, and vitriolically as the adverb. Let's see, vitriolic in English we use to mean language that is very, very critical. It's very bitter, it's very acid, it's very scathing. So the newspapers made a vitriolic attack on the Prime Minister. Yeah, he didn't deserve the vitriolic criticism that he received. Yeah, he was criticised with vitriol. They criticised him vitriolically, full of hate, full of anger, full of violence. Notice vitriolic, this nearly always refers to words. It's intentionally unkind. It's intentionally trying to cause emotional damage, to hurt somebody. Yeah? She criticised me vitriolically for my behaviour. Okay, so vitriol. The real basic meaning of vitriol comes from chemistry. Yeah, vitriolic acid or vitriol is sulfuric acid. Okay, it's an old name for sulfuric acid. And you could have different vitriols which are sulfates of different metals. Yeah, because they're glassy and the crystals are rather glassy. Yeah, and from vitrify, to make of glass. So for example, ferrous sulfate is green vitriol, copper sulfate blue vitriol, but I think that's aside. Yeah, nowadays you're only going to see vitriol as in an acid, a scathing, a caustic attack. Yeah, vitriolic criticism, vitriolic denunciation of something, acid, sulphurous, acrid, yeah, bitter, virulent, yeah, caustic, bitchy as well. Yeah, particularly to launch a vitriolic attack, to launch a vitriolic criticism against somebody. Okay, so it's vitriolic. This is a way to describe criticism. Yeah, it's when you talk about somebody with hate in your heart and you're intentionally unkind and your idea is just to hurt that person. Yeah, so yeah, it's there was vitriolic talk about me because of what I had done, biting and caustic, sharp and bitter. Yeah, okay, so vitriolic, I think particularly just vitriolic criticism, to criticize with vitriol, to attack vitriolically. Okay, so formality. It sounds a little bit literary. I think I'm probably going to give it a 6 in formality. Would I use it in an informal conversation? Just about. More likely in a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal writing. Yeah, I think it's a very good word for an essay or for a literary essay. And then as to origin, it comes from medieval Latin, vitriolum, which was the name for sulfuric acid, which comes from vitrium, glass. And as I said, the vitriols, the metal sulfates, the crystals are very shiny and look like glass, and that's why I think it was given the name vitriol. So vitriolic, a biting criticism, a caustic attack on someone, bitterly abusive language. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Vitriol, vitriolic, vitriolically.